This is a day I've been looking forward to for 2.5 years.
Good afternoon and welcome to Apple Keynote 2020. We always believe that by giving people the best possible tools at a reasonable price, you enable them to do wonderful things. At Apple, we put innovation and engineering excellence at the center of everything we do. And with that innovation, we help people to create, learn, and work better and faster. And with that engineering excellence, we provide them the tools that they can depend on. Today, you're going to get the taste of the fusion of innovation and excellence, made by Apple and made for professionals. Once again, every once in a while, a revolutionary product comes along, changing the way we perceive productivity. Lucky for you, you're going to witness one of those moments. We have been building towards this moment for the last 30 years. In 1981, we released the first Mac. From that moment on, nothing was going to be the same again in computing industry. In 1991, we released the first PowerBook. It put the power of a Mac in your backpack, revolutionizing portable computing. And in 2006, we released the first MacBook, revolutionizing portable computing. And today, the saga continues. A brand new operating system, a gigantic screen, and an 8-core CPU. A brand new operating system, a gigantic screen.
Are you getting it?
Today, Apple will reinvent the laptop. Here is the state-of-the-art 16-inch MacBook Pro.
Wow, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
And that is it. That's all you have to see. Never mind, there's more. But first, let me give you some astounding numbers. This is the most powerful MacBook we ever created. As a matter of fact, it has 2,000 times the processing power of the first Mac we ever released. It has the largest screen-to-body ratio of any computer we ever released. And to power all of this, we fitted the largest battery we ever shipped with any portable computer. As a matter of fact, it is the largest battery allowed on flights by FAA. And along with all of this, we updated our software lineup to work better with the new hardware. Both Logic Pro X and Final Cut Pro X now take advantage of the new Mac hardware to its fullest. Now, let's have a look at the internals to see what is going on under the chassis. The new MacBook Pro opens the same way. It has 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports. Combined with the versatility of USB-C, you can connect anything to any port. And for the first time, our ever-praised unibody enclosure is made from 100% recycled aluminum. We re-engineered the new enclosure down to the atomic level, making it more durable and stronger than ever. And to your joy, it is the best looking MacBook to this date. To engineer the thinnest and the largest Retina screen to ship with an Apple laptop, we have redefined every component. The glass, the bezels, the edges, everything is thinner. We continue to refine our keyboard design to be more accurate and comfortable. It's a delight to type on these things. They provide so much more feedback than anything we ever shipped. While at it, we have completely redesigned the speakers to produce a crystal clear and room-filling sound. Up to 8 TB of SSD storage, 65 GB of RAM, and the new 8-core Intel CPU. This is a monster of a machine in your hands. In fact, it is the most CPU cores ever shipped on a MacBook. This amount of power needed a better cooling, so we went ahead and redesigned the fans. They cool your Mac 28% better, while being quieter. And to power all these, we have developed several new battery technologies. We actually changed the construction and chemistry of the cells. And we did not forget to put in the T2 chip. You will get the most advanced security on any laptop, along with the convenience of Siri. To fit all these professional components into a MacBook, we took an extreme approach to miniaturization. All the parts were optimized and engineered to fit together to create the highest density Mac motherboard yet. It is actually 65% smaller than any we have designed before. All these get together to make an uncompromising machine, the most powerful and purposeful creative tool, the best MacBook ever made. This is the part 1 of my 3-part mini-series on how to present like Apple. This 5-minute video took me approximately 20 hours of work as a senior software engineer, including rehearsals and reshoots, along with another 10 hours for the follow-ups. In part 2, I will explain how this video was made, how the script was written, the equipment used, the animations, and all the other production details. And in part 3, I will do an in-depth analysis of presentation techniques used in this video, including the bold script, the story, the body language, the emphases, the stage, and much more. Sub if you don't want to miss them out. And I will see you next time.